फिराए केली गीता तो कुके ने
Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to another session with your War Chef at Wareva Farms. Today we're going to make very special jawar ki roti with country chicken. And we're going to make it complete organic by using organic spices and from 24 Mantra Organic. So let's start. We all want to enjoy life by eating good and tasty food. That's not enough. You got to eat organic. That means you got to live organic life. When it means organic, it's got to be 24 Mantra Organic. For making jawar ki roti, I'm taking the 24 Mantra Organic jawar ki atta. And for making this, you got to use hot water. So water is boiling here. And we're going to add water little by little. And then we're going to make the dough. So, add hot water. That's when you will be able to make the jawar ki roti very much easier. Today I am taking help of Banjaran Bujji, who works at our farm.
Namaste.
Using hot water, we are going to use a spoon and mix it. Just move all the flour together so that it absorbs the moisture, and now we can make the jawar ki roti. She's got her own roti maker, so on which we're going to do. You can take normal water and knead into a nice dough. So look at this. They keep this hot and they keep adding little by little water and knead that well. Because there is no gluten, you got to do that extra kneading so that you will be able to make this roti much easier. There is no need to add salt, and this dough is super tasty. When the roti is done, it's even good. Jawar ki roti is my father's favorite roti. Whenever we make this roti at home, it reminds him, his ancestors and his childhood. Same way, a lot of Indians feel they get connected to Mother India, the earth, when they use 24 Mantra Organic. Certified organic in India and internationally. That's why my friends around the world write to me that they use 24 Mantra Organic. With stringent quality control of organically produced product, it is directly procured from the farmers so that you get the best product. With 24 Mantra Organic, you're guaranteed no pesticides are used, and only fertilizers which are organic are used to produce the product. The beauty about 24 Mantra Organic is you can trace back each product to the farmer who produced it. With very, carefully we got to do. Now, look at this roti. Because there's no gluten, the edges kind of, slightly crack. The thing what we do is, we take water, we kind of sprinkle, and we do this so that the roti comes out nice. It won't dry out, and any flour, it gets nicely perfect. Bagunada?
Bagundi sir.
So once you kind of wet on one side, turn it to the other side. So it has to be cooked well on both sides. Some people make it on a little bit slow flame. But my father always prefers the roti to be nicely cooked, and fresh jawar ki roti with chicken curry, and that too with the country chicken curry. It is just awesome. Now, when the jawar ki roti is cooked well on both sides, take it out and look at this. Imagine eating this fresh jawar ki roti with country chicken curry.
Apateli gita to kuke ne khau viraye keli gita to kuke ne khau aye keli gita to.
Finally, I got this country chicken ready. Applied turmeric and did all the needed. So this is to be cooked with entirely organic masala. So I'm going to make my organic masala. Here I've got sunflower oil and also all organic spices, including cinnamon, clove, pepper. I'm going to use a little bit of cashew nut and cardamom. Here I've got garam masala also, and also some coriander powder. So using all these ingredients, I'm going to make my organic chicken. Even the cashew nuts are vacuum packed to retain the freshness. Basically what I have done is, I have taken all the masalas, added few cashew nut, and if you want, you can also add some coconut powder to it. And the blended masalas made of organic ingredients has a different texture and enhanced aroma. One for the chef, one for the chicken. So the masala is ready. In this, we're going to add some sunflower oil and we're going to add a little extra garam masala. Even though I have used all the masalas in the preparation of the masala, I want some whole spices to give that extra punch. So some pepper, cinnamon, clove, some cardamom into this, and also a little bit of Shahi Jeera. And in making the country chicken, we add some of the curry leaves. These curry leaves give a very nice aroma. In this, add curry leaf and add onion. Roughly cut onion, and you have to brown the onion to get that nice gravy. And fry the onion till they are slightly colored. Add salt and also turmeric. Keep cooking till the onions are slightly golden. Now when the onions are slightly golden, add ginger garlic paste. And to this, we are going to add our ground masala. The entire ground masala. Some green chili. And let these masalas also kind of fry with the onions. And this will give, already I can get this fresh aroma. Wow. And to this, we are going to add tomato puree. Add water. And you guys know, country chicken takes at least half an hour to cook, whereas the regular poultry chicken can cook in like 10 minutes. We're going to add the country chicken pieces. Okay. You got to let this cook for at least 30 minutes so that this chicken is cooked nicely. Now to this, add chili powder. If you want, you can always add some crushed pepper in the last if you want. In this, add coriander powder, some cumin powder. I'm going to add some more of organic garam masala. That should be good enough. We're going to let this cook on a slow flame for at least 30 minutes to get the best aroma out, and this is what we're going to enjoy with jawar ki roti. For our chicken curry, wow, fresh coriander leaf. Nothing can be fresher than this. When you see some of the oil coming out of it and you can get that sweet aroma, that's when the chicken is almost ready. But some fresh coriander will make it really worthwhile. Wow. Look at the pieces, and the gravy is also slightly thickened. Today it's all organic. Even the oil as well as the masalas we used organic, and we made the free range country chicken. So the taste, as it cooks, the taste gets even more better. After cooking around 40 minutes, the chicken has got the real full flavor. The slow cooking and with all these spices, it is just magnificent. Wow. Not just the food lovers, it is for people who love awesome taste, people who are health conscious. For everybody, organic food, organic living is the way to go. Thanks to 24 Mantra Organic, Indians in more than 50 countries are enjoying organic living with organic food. Dear friends, you got to try. You got to see the difference. You all know the health benefits, but the taste itself. Along with jawar ki roti, my goodness. My goodness. Every bite of it is mantra, organic mantra. Keep cooking and enjoy great food and enjoy a healthy living. Juicy. Absolutely perfect. You know.